If I was considering to enter tax preparation world right now, learning accounting, becoming CPA or EA, I want to move forward and show you what you can get with those skills, what you can actually achieve, what kind of lifestyle you can have, and what is an interesting job you can do. I'm Kat, I'm not so boring CPA. I had 10 years of experience working at Big Four, music business management in LA, and now I'm running my own CPA business. I'm also a YouTuber, as you can see, and I love it all. This job gives me so much satisfaction in the ways that I'm constantly learning. My life is fulfilled in a different gaps, as there is so much this profession of being accountant can give you. So let me tell you my story, and hopefully you choose to become CPA and you can achieve with that profession anything you want. So accounting, right? You'd probably think it's like, oh, nobody wants to be accountant anymore. People wants to be maybe lawyers, maybe IT professionals. Everybody's into AI those days. Accounting, that doesn't sound, so exciting. Let me change your mind about that, okay? So let's start with, I work in tax. I love tax. I think tax is wonderful. Why? Because 80% of CPAs are retiring right now. That is true. There's so much work out there, so much growth. It's amazing. Second one, it's extremely stable. I know it's not the most interesting hook for you, but stable in the way that you can find a way to work in so many different fields. So you can be consultant, you can be with accounting, that's a finance person. You can be a consultant, you can work for a different company as a consultant. For a tax, the same. There's lots of huge corporations out there, small corporation working for a small business. You can choose anything you want. So it's very stable in the way that you can choose so many different directions. Another one is it's changing. And with AI, good news. You would not need to do all the boring stuff you think accounting is about. It's not. Majority of manual work is automated thanks to AI. So now accountants are doing advisory, and advisory is super interesting because based on consultant advisory, like advice, you can help the clients, you can help people, you can help societies. There's so many great things about it. Super interesting to learn because if you like math, you would like accounting, you would like tax. It just makes so much sense, right? So interesting if you like logical things, you like math, then there is advisory, which is the part you can work with different human. And another one, it's a growth. Because the industry changing right now, my ability to be on YouTube is possible because how interesting and in demand this industry is becoming. So I highly recommend you to look into it. And if you ever decide to be part of board of any company, you want to be on a board, you want to be CEO, CFO, you can get there by starting with accounting, right? If you decide to start your NGO, it is the simplest thing to do for a CPA, for accountant to do it. So I highly recommend to look into it. There's so many opportunities. You can, if you know finance, you know numbers, you accounting, you get experience with that. There's so many layers you can accomplish. There's so many dimensions. There's so many things you can do with your life. So I invite you to look into it. Take that step, get that CPA exam or EA exam. Learn that, help small businesses, big businesses, whatever you want. And, have a wonderful life. This skill, this profession, that industry, that major will give you the freedom you want because it's interesting. It's helping people through advisory. Once you know numbers, you can do anything pretty much. I think it's an incredible base for anything you decide to do with your life. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions, and good luck if you're studying right now. If you want to become an accountant, accounting is not boring. It's only boring when you don't understand it.